It is a beautiful day, but we got walloped with snow. I think we got like around a foot. The trash picking schedule says that it hasn't been canceled, so we're gonna go. But listen to this noise. Do my screwdriver trick. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it's the AC compressor making a ton of noise. And that system has been devoid of any kind of gas or fluid or refrigerant for years, so I'm just gonna pop it out. A few bolts and we should be good to go. All right, a shorter belt, a few zip ties, a couple of bolts, and this big piece of scrap metal is out of our way. Let's spin this. Wow. That is not a good thing. I wonder if we gained any horsepower by taking it out. Like 0.01 of a horsepower. I'll take it. Welcome to Winter Wonderland. And in case you were gonna ask, no, there aren't any garbage piles anywhere. Not yet, anyway. Well, this is the first garbage pile I've found yet, and it has a dummy in it. I don't know, I set the exposure of the camera so like it would expose properly for the snow. I mean, is this garbage? It looks like garbage. Doesn't look like it's propped up or anything. Okay, so this mannequin kind of makes our whole day worthwhile. Let's take her back to the car. And I'm gonna do this really slowly so the people in the house like see me taking it, just in case it's not garbage. And they can be like, wait, what are you doing? Why are you taking Susan? I think that's her name, Susan. All right, there's Susan. There's Susan's legs. I actually know a woman named Susan who probably has about those same bodily dimensions. Her skin is a little more pink though. She's not exactly completely white. There's Susan's standing base. Now, as far as mannequins go, this mannequin is not vintage or rare or anything, but this is way more than I thought we were going to find in the snow today, so I'm grateful. All right, is that a good thumbnail? I've been out for 3 hours now, and other than that dummy, we haven't found anything. In fact, there are pretty much no piles out, but look, here's a pile. There's nothing in it, like an old desk and leaves and things, but I think this means that if I stay late enough, maybe we're gonna find some stuff. So stay tuned. And I have a real bad leg cramp right now from shoveling my driveway this morning. Yeah, I'm kind of out of shape, and I shoveled for like 2 hours. All right, let's get back in the car once my leg cramp goes away. Ooh, ouch, ouch, ouch. All right, so this night isn't a total bust. Looks like we got some stuff. I don't know, I might have missed this pile earlier because it's snowy, but it's got orange spaghetti in it. Whoa, that's disgusting. Let me go get my glove. If I can even find it. If you're lucky enough to own it. All right, there's a glove. We can pop the trunky poo. Man, this is some nasty spaghetti. Yeah, ugh. Trash picking in the dead of winter. And all we found was a mannequin and an extension cord. Wait, what's that? Is that Romex? No. See, now I seem to have... seem to have upended the garbage can. Wow, this is really a lot of trouble. There's their Pepsi bottle. All right, anything else? Anything else we can't live without? Honestly, I don't think I really want anything else from this pile. This is a really gross pile. But there's your thumbnail. Oh, wait. Okay. Frozen spaghetti in the snow. I mean, I suppose it would be possible to make spaghetti and freeze it into like a spaghetti popsicle and then eat it. It would just be really nasty. All right, looks like there's another pile over here. My car still seems kind of noisy. Let's see. I think there is an address label on the pile. Okay, now we can see what's in the box. St. Patty's Day decorations. All right, box number 2. Wow. Gingerbread man and that thing. And then this thing is a clock. It's not a bad looking clock. The Bombay Company. Can that be our thumbnail? Can that be our thumbnail? Anything else around here? Wow. That car is louder than mine. It's been 6 hours since I left my house, and I've driven 99 miles. And there's our load so far. But you know what? I see spaghetti. Green spaghetti. And this is clean green spaghetti too. It's not all gross like that orange stuff that we got. So, there we go. That's about $2 worth of scrap metal divided by 6 hours and 99 miles. Yeah, we're doing really well tonight. Well, it's still kind of a barren, snowy wasteland out here, and I'm not seeing a lot of garbage piles. But we're gonna keep going for a little while longer. I don't know, maybe till about 8 o'clock. That way I will have been out for 8 hours by the time I get home. Oh my god. All right, here we go. It's very exciting. Another pile. What do we have in the pile? The thing that goes under a carpet, and then the carpet, and then a drawer, and 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 a desktop, and a drawer, and back there another drawer, and a dresser. And wow, that's what we're dealing with tonight, folks. One lousy snowstorm, and nobody wants to put any garbage out for us. It's so sad. So sad. We're driving through the winter wonderland of the suburbs. It's been about 7 hours and 116 miles since I left my house. And we've found the sum total of a mannequin, a clock, and 2 extension cords. I want to say I really appreciate you guys coming along. And thanks for watching. You know, this is the last pick of the year, and I was hoping that it would be really good, but I think this snow kind of put a wrench in the works. So, I'm going to keep my eyes open for another pile, and if I find one, then we'll dig through it. But if I don't, then the video is going to end right here.